In this video, let's see how to navigate and filter ringless voicemails by user and date range. Click on the Voice Outreach drop-down in the navigation bar to expand it. Select the Processing tab to view the ringless voicemails that are currently being processed. Click on the Draft tab to view the ringless voicemails that are saved as drafts. Choose the Scheduled tab to see the ringless voicemails that are scheduled to be sent. Access the Completed tab to review the ringless voicemails that have been successfully delivered. Enter a search term in the search box to filter the results. Click on the View by Users drop-down to sort or filter the results by user. Select a user from the View by Users drop-down to view results associated with that user. Click on the Date Range filter in the top navigation bar to select a specific date range.